I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. Welcome to another episode of Know Him Better. Today, we are going to talk about founder of one of the biggest private space organization of the world, SpaceX. So let's get started. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in South Africa. At the age of 10, Musk developed interest in computers. Musk created a game called Blaster and he sold it at the age of 12 to a magazine for $500. He studied physics and economics at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. With 28,000 of his father's money, Elon and his brother Kimball started Zip2, which is a web startup that provided city travel guides to newspapers. Later, in 1999, they sold Zip2 to Compaq Computers for $307 million. Elon Musk earns $22 million. He invested more than half of his earnings to co-found X.com, an online banking service. The company quickly merged with its rival and became PayPal, with Musk as a majority shareholder. In 2001, Musk conceptualized a project to land a miniature experimental greenhouse on Mars. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal and Musk walked away with $180 million. Musk traveled to Russia to buy refurbished intercontinental ballistic missiles, also known as ICBMs, to send colony of mice to Mars. Russians offered to sell one rocket at 8 million USD. Musk felt it was artificially overpriced. They even taunted Elon Musk. They said, "Oh little boy, you don't have the money." Musk replied, "I think we can build the rocket ourselves," and then stormed out of the meeting. On the flight back from Moscow, Musk realized that he could start a company. They could build the affordable rockets he needed. Musk calculated that the raw materials for building a rocket actually were only 3% of the sales price of the rocket at the time. SpaceX could cut launch price by a factor of 10 and still enjoy a 70% gross margin. With $100 million USD, Musk founded SpaceX in May 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. In 2006, the first SpaceX rocket failed in just 33 seconds after liftoff. In 2007 and in 2008, the second and third chances of established companies' credibility also ended in failure. The third failure almost killed the company. Musk had money that could only fund the fourth launch. On 28 September 2008, the fourth Falcon 1 rocket was successfully launched and achieved Earth orbit. History was made. Falcon 1 became the first privately developed liquid fuel rocket to orbit the Earth. On December 23, 2008, NASA awarded SpaceX $1.6 billion contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station. With plans for astronaut transport in the future, in a move to replace NASA's own space shuttle missions. In 2001, SpaceX publicly announced Reusable Launch System Development Program. After few failure attempts, SpaceX achieved a successful landing and recovery of the first stage in December 2015. In 2017, SpaceX relaunched the used rocket and brought it back by landing it in the ocean. It was a perfect landing. All rockets are designed to burn up in re-entry, but SpaceX rockets can not only withstand re-entry, it can also successfully land back on Earth and refly again. Musk believes a fully and rapidly reusable rocket is needed to reduce the cost of space travel. And in time, Musk wants to build a city on the red planet. When something is important enough, you do it even the odds are not in your favor.